Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME, GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates here need to be done. First I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning and get rid of that line down there. It served its purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the nice part of today's movement was in regards to this update, and this update is based on the foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's what happened here. Price was finally able to get back above $12, and you can see a classic example here. So, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook, but price gapped up, pulled back, found some support right at that green line, and then has since been, just maintaining up above there. So it's not like the price has continued to explode, but at least the price has shown the sign of progress, which is helpful and important, because if the price can continue to, maintain those lows, well, look where the previous lows were, right there. Where were the previous lows? Well, down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, or you have an uptrend, right? And assuming you're bullish, that's what you want to see. You definitely want to see uptrends, and that's what that $12 mark is now representing. On the flip side of things, not really anything new, but more so a confirmation point right here, because I've talked about this in past videos, up around the 1270 mark being an area of resistance. And like I said, confirmation that right here with the big price movement upwards, that's right where it got rejected back to the downside. So still work to be done in that regard. But overall, that's going to be a level that a lot of people will be watching. And when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's going to be an area that, like I said, going forward, a whole lot of people will be watching. But all in all, nice movement today. Let's see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.